Firstly, log into your Facebook account. Then click on Reels. Open new tab. Type download Facebook Reels. Click on first search results, which is download Facebook Reels. Now select any of your favorite reel. Click on Share and copy a link of video. Go to Facebook Reels Videos Downloader second tab. Paste the link you copied before and click on Download. You can see video link is generated successfully. Now select video format. Click and downloading will start it. Now wait to complete downloading. Click on downloading. Video you will see video will be downloaded in your PC successfully. Now open new tab, type Tik-Tok, then click on first search result. Tik-Tok will open in front of you. Again scroll and select any Tik-Tok video you wanted to download. Click on share and copy the link of the video. Open new tab, type Tik-Tok video downloader, click on first search results, which is Tik-Tok video downloader without watermark. Paste the link of Tik-Tok video in search bar, click on download. Again click on download video without watermark, click on downloaded video. Default text video is successfully downloaded in your PC. In new tab, open Instagram. Select first search results and open your Instagram account. Select any of your desired video, click on share. Copy link of the video. Open new tab, type Instagram Shorts downloader. Click on first search result. Paste Instagram video link in this search bar. Click on download. Click on downloaded video. See, video is successfully downloaded in your PC. Similarly, type YouTube, open YouTube. Scroll down in YouTube, select any YouTube short. Open new tab, type YouTube Shorts Downloader. Select first search result. Come back to your selected YouTube video short, click on Share and copy the link. Go to our selected YouTube video downloader. Paste the link and download it. Video will be downloaded in your PC, as you can see.